Precision and efficiency are key in the receiving area. This refrigerated truck maintains the cold chain as it backs securely into loading bay 4.
The quality control inspector logs the precise weight of the sample into the centralized database to ensure compliance with safety standards.
দিন কোণেকে জোড়াও সেটি দেখতে হবে। Hutting on team Paspati is local cable acting Seiko.
The quality control team precisely measures each fruit to ensure it meets our strict size and quality standards before it moves to the next stage.
Our automated washing system ensures every fruit is meticulously clean before moving to the next stage.
Here, the dragon fruits undergo a thorough cleaning process, utilizing high-speed brushes and pressurized water jets to remove any debris.
Automated precision ensures every fruit is perfectly dry before packaging. The automated sorting mechanism precisely guides each fruit into its designated lane, maximizing efficiency and maintaining the cold chain.
The quality control inspector ensures the dragon fruit meets our high standards before it enters the automated processing line.
The automated system processes the fruit with unmatched precision, minimizing waste. The automated system precisely quarters the dragon fruit, maintaining peak efficiency.
Clickies. The automated peeling machine precisely removes the vibrant pink skin, ensuring only the fresh fruit.
Our automated lines are supplemented by precise manual inspection to ensure only the highest quality product leaves the facility.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every piece of dragon fruit is meticulously cleaned before moving to the packaging line.
The dragon fruit pulp is efficiently separated from the seeds using this high-speed rotary screen system.
The automated system pumps the fresh dragon fruit pulp directly into the sterilized mixing tank. Precise quality control is essential. Samples are taken directly from the mixing tank for thorough analysis.
The automated mixer ensures a consistent blend, critical for quality control.
The system pressure is carefully monitored, gradually rising before stabilizing at the optimal level for processing. Automated systems ensured exact volume control, reaching the target of 2,500 liters.
In this step, the crystalline sugar is added to the milk, where it is rapidly dissolved by the high-speed agitator.
The automated system ensures a consistent flow rate, moving the milk efficiently to the next stage of processing. Maintaining precise pressure levels is crucial for product consistency and safety in the pasteurization process. Milk is precisely pumped through these transparent pipes to the next stage of processing.
To begin the fermentation process, we introduce a precise yogurt starter culture to the cooled milk.
Inside the tank, the milk is gently agitated by the mixer.
State-of-the-art technology ensures the yogurt base is efficiently transferred to the next stage of production.
The yogurt base is precisely measured and pumped into the aseptic mixing tank, with the volume tracked digitally.
High-pressure nozzles sanitize the interior of the mixing tanks, reaching temperatures over 180 degrees Fahrenheit.
We are ready to authorize the batch filling. Do you confirm the volume?
Confirm.
Authorizing filling.
The homogenized mixture is transferred to the main mixing tanks, ensuring a consistent texture and vibrant color before the final cooling process.
Vibrant pink yogurt is precisely dispensed into sterile containers at an incredible rate, maintaining the highest quality standards.
Aluminum foil lids are precisely applied and sealed onto the yogurt cups, demonstrating efficient and modern food manufacturing.
The metal detector ensures that every single yogurt cup is free of contaminants, a vital step in quality control.
The automated system detects imperfections, swiftly removing any substandard product from the line to ensure consistent quality control.
The automated system ensures maximum efficiency. The robotic arm precisely picks and places 6 trays simultaneously, minimizing downtime.
The system ensures precise and rapid movement of pallets, minimizing human error and maximizing efficiency.
here is the manifest for shipment 72B. Just need your signature here.
Got it. Looks good. Confirmed.
Everything is accounted for on the manifest.
Excellent. Thank you for the confirmation. We'll see you next week then.